let's talk about the financing and how that works.
Yeah.
I mean, it's a really low rate,
Yeah.
and then you can stretch it out.
Yeah, there's different avenues. 6 months with no payment until 6 months, or you can just spread it out over 10 years, and rates are affordable. It's a quick and easy application. You do it right online. It's an app, and within usually 8 minutes, they'll know if you're pretty much qualified or not. So yeah, it's real simple, user friendly, very private, and very successful at it.
And one reason I know that you wanted to do this was that, of course, you normally worked with people who were doing the 8-week kitchen, very customized.
Yes.
Every option is custom.
Yes.
And you really saw that there's a market, like those people's children or nieces and nephews that really wanted a beautiful kitchen, but they just couldn't afford that.
Yeah, and there's nothing more than satisfying the needs, and bringing that type of custom process into a more streamlined, affordable. It's like buying having a BMW at a lesser price, and really the comfort, all of that is encompassed in this process.